Number 2, crop planning maps and calendars. So a crop plan typically has a visual of a sort of map of your garden. This will help you decide where you want to move things around before you invest in the supplies and the seeds. You can use an app on your phone or a drawing app on your computer, or you can just hand draw it on a piece of paper. Along with a map, it's very helpful to have a calendar of some sorts, so you can track when you need to plant your seeds, when it's time to harvest, and when you want to plant the next round of seeds.
Garden planning also involves keeping a garden journal. It's super helpful when planning if you've kept a journal from the year prior. You can write little notes like, oh, everybody loved these, or they're super great to eat off the vine, so that when you go back and want to plan the next year, it can give you some really good, helpful information, so you won't make the same mistake twice, but you also can continue to grow things that you love.